कार कैसे जाता? कार ऐसा? बस कैसे जाता? बस कैसे जाता? बस कैसे जाता? ग्रास है, ग्रास।
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. It was a Saudi National Day. Every year they celebrated on 23rd of September. This is the first time I am here on Saudi National Day. On that day my husband was at home as it was his off. So I thought to prepare mutton tahari and Arabic tomato chutney. For this I take 650 grams of boneless mutton pieces in a bowl. Then goes 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 4 tablespoon of curd. Mix well. Cover and keep in the refrigerator till use or at least for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, here I am preparing the famous Arabic tomato chutney. For this, I take 3 ripe tomatoes, 4 green chilies, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, half onion, some coriander leaves. Here I am using a hand chopper. You may use blender also. Add tomatoes into the blender and chop well. My chopper is little small, that's why I can't chop all ingredients at a time. Now take it out into a bowl. Add green chilli, onion, garlic, coriander leaves and chop well. Now in this again add finely chopped tomatoes, then chop for some time to make a perfect Arabic chutney. Now add half teaspoon salt or as per your taste and mix well. Now it's ready guys. It is really very tasty. Please try once at your home and send me your feedback. Here I am taking 3 glasses of basmati rice. Wash well and soak for 30 minutes. Next going to our mutton tahari. Here in pressure cooker add 5 tablespoon oil and 2 tablespoon ghee. Let it heat. Then add whole spices, 4 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 3 green cardamom, 1 star anise, 1 black cardamom, 10 peppercorns and 2 bay leaves. Saute for 1 minute. Then go sliced onions. Mix well and add some salt. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes until onions are brown in color. In this, add 3 chopped tomatoes, mix and cook for 3 minutes until tomatoes are soft. Then add marinated chicken and mix well. Now cook for 5 minutes on high flame. Add half glass water, mix and close the lid. Keep on medium flame, cook for 5 to 6 whistles. Now it's done. Here I am using heavy bottom pan for tahari. In this, pour the mutton curry and add 4.5 glass water. I took 3 glasses of rice here. For every 1 glass rice, you need to add 1.5 glass water. Then goes 1 teaspoon sajira, some salt, 4 to 5 green chilies. According to your taste, if you want more spice, then you can increase green chilies. Then add mint leaves and coriander leaves. Mix and close the lid. Let it boil. Now add soaked basmati rice into it. Here I am using basmati rice. You can use normal rice also, but basmati rice gives a good taste to it. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Then after, keep flame high to medium and cook for 7 to 8 minutes and give a mix in between. Add some ghee. Keep flame low and cook for another 2 minutes. Now it's ready to serve. Hyderabadi mutton tahari and Arabic tomato chutney. Please try my recipes at your home and give me your valuable feedback in comment section.
Car. Okay. Plane. आ गया प्लेन. हाँ फिर तो स्पीड गया. ये क्या है? कार गया. ये क्या है? ये क्या गया? ये भी कारेज. अच्छा. प्लेन कब आता? ठीक है। कार ऊपर से नहीं आता। हम्म, क्या है?
After Isha Namaz, we went to a park. It's near to my house and is just walkable distance. My kids play for 1 hour there. Here, my little prince telling his father that how the car and plane go and about their sounds. Actually, we don't have any plan to go anywhere, but I want to see Southern national celebrations. So my husband took us to Flamingo Park. It is just 10 minutes distance to our home. The mall was full of the national flags. It is in green color. In this mall, a lots of shopping centers appear like clothes, shoes, cookware, and it has a big food court having barbecue tonight restaurant and play area for kids, and especially it has Carrefour. Let the mall get more treasure. Actually, I like fish curry, but my husband don't like. But here my husband surprised me by taking me to the fish store and he said that take the fish which you want. I was like really shocked, but I don't have any idea about fish. And moreover, they said that they won't be able to clean now as it was their closing time. So I didn't take it. We spent 1 hour over there and had really good time. My kids were so sleepy, so we came back home. I hope you liked the video. We'll see you in next vlog. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.